digestion, and the role of microbes. Teeth. What is the first thing you do when you put a food item in your mouth? You start chewing it and then you swallow it. The process of chewing of food is carried out with the help of your teeth. Human beings have no teeth at the time of birth. The first set of teeth starts appearing by the age of 3 years. These are called temporary teeth or milk teeth. They are 20 in number. By the age of 6 years, they start falling off and a new set of teeth begins to grow in their place. By the age of 12 to 13 years, permanent teeth completely replace the temporary set of teeth. The permanent teeth are initially 28 in number. By the time of adulthood, 4 more teeth, also called the wisdom teeth, grow and a complete set of 32 teeth is formed. Apart from chewing the food, teeth also help in speaking and in maintaining the shape of face. Types of teeth. The human dentition is made up of 4 different types of teeth. Based on its design, each type of tooth performs a specific function. Their distribution in the mouth is such that both the jaws have similar arrangement of teeth. Incisors. Incisors are present at the front of each jaw. They are 8 in number. Incisors have blunt ends and are roughly square in shape. Their function is to bite and cut the food. Canines. Canines are present right next to the incisors. They are 4 in number, 2 in each jaw. Canines are sharp and have pointed ends. They help in tearing the food. In case of meat-eating animals like tigers, the canines are long, carved and pointed. It helps them in capturing and tearing the flesh of their prey. Premolars. Premolars are present next to canines in each jaw. They are 8 in number and appear only in the permanent set of teeth. They are broad in shape and have ridges on their surface. The purpose of premolars is to crush and grind the food. Molars. Molars are present at the farthest end in each jaw. They are the last to appear in the permanent set of teeth. Most adults grow a pair of wisdom teeth in each jaw, which completes the set of 32 teeth. Molars are similar to premolars in shape and function. The difference is that they are wider and stronger than them. The premolars and molars of plant-eating animals are very strong. They have blunt edges and wide surface area. It helps them in cutting, chewing and grinding plant leaves and stalks. Parts of the teeth. The teeth in our jaws are seated in gums. Gums are the fleshy structures that surround the teeth and hold them in place. The part of the teeth that is visible above the gums is called crown, and the part below it is called root. The outermost layer of tooth is white in color and is called the enamel. It is the hardest part of the body and serves the function of protecting the inner parts of the tooth. Inside the enamel lies dentine. It is little less hard than the enamel and forms a covering around the most sensitive part of the tooth called pulp. Pulp contains blood vessels that supply nutrition to the tooth. It also has a network of nerves which help in feeling the sensation of pain, heat or cold. The pulp is further connected to the root of the tooth that remains embedded in the jawbone. Calcium and phosphorus are important for maintaining healthy and strong teeth. Food sources like milk, green leafy vegetables and meat are rich sources of these minerals. Amazing fact! The teeth of shark grow in rows. When the front row teeth wear down and fall off, new ones come forward to take their place. Taking care of teeth. Teeth are the hardest substance in our body, but due to lack of proper care, our teeth can decay. If food particles are left stuck between the teeth, they will develop plaque due to bacterial action. That is why it is very important to pay attention towards our dental well-being. Here are some ways in which you can care for your teeth. Brush your teeth twice daily, once in the morning and once before going to bed at night. Follow the correct way of brushing your teeth. Brush them gently in small circular motions to prevent their surface from getting damaged. It is also important to clean your tongue each time you brush your teeth. It will keep your breath fresh. Avoid taking too much of sugary food items like chocolates, candies, soft drinks, etc., as they are harmful for the teeth. Use toothpaste which contains a mineral called fluoride, as it is good for the health of your teeth. You should also visit a dentist every 6 months to ensure your teeth stay healthy and disease-free. Activity. Aim. To observe the effect of various food items on the health of teeth. Need 3 boiled eggs, unpeeled, 3 bowls milk, water, Coke. Method. Take 3 bowls and fill them with water, milk and Coke. Put an egg in each bowl and leave it for one night. Observation. You will notice that the shell of the eggs put in water and milk remain white, while the one placed in Coke solution changes to brown. Conclusion. Comparing the egg shells with the surface of our teeth, we can conclude that water and milk are harmless, while Coke is harmful for our teeth. Human digestive system. The digestive system of human beings consists of a set of organs working together to break down the food we eat into the form in which it can be used by the cells of our body. The digestive organs are arranged in a sequence to form the digestive tract. The process by which the food we eat is broken down in our body into simpler substances to release energy is called digestion. Mouth. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. The food morsel is chewed and properly mixed with saliva with the help of our tongue and teeth. Saliva contains digestive juices which break down some part of the food into simpler substances. It is important to chew the food properly before swallowing because it allows proper mixing of saliva. No more. Endoscopy is the method used to examine an individual's digestive tract. Food pipe. The food mixed with saliva goes from mouth to stomach through a tubular pathway called the food pipe or esophagus. It is muscular in nature and helps in movement of food by rhythmic contraction and relaxation of its walls. Stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped muscular bag where the food is churned further and converted into a paste. Here, the digestive juices are thoroughly mixed with the food by contraction and relaxation of muscular lining of the stomach wall. There is also a very strong acid released in the stomach which helps in killing the germs that may have entered along with the food. Small intestine. The semi-digested food reaches the small intestine. It is a highly coiled, long, tube-like organ present in the lower part of our body. It is the site of final stage of digestion of food. Here, the semi-digested ball of food is acted upon by the digestive juices released from its own walls and pancreas. It also receives bile juice from the liver. These digestive juices contain chemicals called enzymes, which help in breaking down the food particles. The nutrients from the completely digested food are absorbed by the tiny projections on the walls of small intestine called villi. From there, they are sent to all parts of the body with the help of the bloodstream. Large intestine. The undigested food material is further pushed into the large intestine. Large intestine is wider than small intestine. Here, the excess water and minerals are absorbed into the bloodstream and the waste products are removed as feces through anus. Liver. Liver is the largest gland in our body. It secretes bile juice, which helps in breaking down the food substances into simpler, absorbable form. It also regulates the formation of glucose, which is the energy currency of the body. No more. Liver has the highest regeneration capacity in the body. It can fully regrow itself even from 25% of its original mass. Microbes. Microbes or microorganisms are the microscopic organisms. There are millions of varieties of microbes existing in equally varied set of atmospheric conditions. They can be unicellular or multicellular. Microbes include organisms like bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and viruses. They can either be useful or harmful for us. Microbes can be useful to us in many ways. Certain microbes help in the conversion of milk into curd. Certain microbes are used in bakery and beverage industries as they help in the fermentation of food products. Microbes act as decomposers and help maintaining the flow of nutrients in nature. Microbes are also used in sewage treatment plants. Microbes are also used in making antibiotics and medicines to cure several types of diseases. Some microbes also live in the digestive tract of plant-eating animals and help in digestion of their food. Despite the mentioned benefits, there are also several types of microbes which are harmful for us. Viruses are the microorganisms which cause infection and diseases in both plants and animals. Fungi of some types form molds on food products and spoil them. Some bacteria also spread communicable diseases like cholera and typhoid. Certain types of algae grow in water bodies and cause pollution. Protozoans also cause several diseases in human beings. No more. There are microbes which help in proper functioning of our body systems like brain, digestive system, and immune system.